Hey everybody, this may honestly be one of the more exciting points of the show for me because we're about to look at a product that pretty much everybody can use. It's not some far-flung idea, this is real practical tech that you need. I am talking about the brand new Jabra Elite 75T. Now, if you're not already familiar with our review of the Jabra Elite 65T, the predecessor, check it out. We'll put a link right up there for you. You want to know about those. Basically, they're one of the best true wireless earbuds that we've ever tested. They came in right behind Apple and Samsung and really upped the game for everybody. Everybody's kind of been following them since, and we've seen some really good quality stuff. But the 65T remained sort of the groundbreaking game changer that we looked at last year. The 75T are basically better in every way. Let me show you. So I want to start out by showing you the 65T because one of the big improvements was to size. Here's the 75T down below, and you can see it is significantly smaller in just about every dimension. And let me put this away. That's really important, you guys, because size relates to comfort. You need it to be light. You're going to wear these all day. You want them to be suitable for any number of different ear sizes. So, I mean, before with the 65T, if you had an ear big enough, then it was probably fine. But if you had smaller ears, they wouldn't be very comfortable. Jabra says this is as close to, one size fit all that they can get at this point in time. And yeah, I see that. It's a much more compact shape, very ergonomic, very smooth here. Nice tiny little ear tip at the very end. You can tell, and I put them in and they feel awesome. These guys are going to be much more comfortable than their predecessor. You'd think then, because they're smaller, that maybe they have a smaller battery and the battery life wouldn't be as good. That's not the case. The battery life actually got better. Before, you got about 5 hours per charge out of these little earbuds. Now you're going to get 7.5 hours. That is a significant improvement. That's basically about 50% an improvement. And that's not it. The case itself now will hold about a 28-hour charge. That's about 90% improvement over the prior generation, which is astonishing that they were able to do that. And Jabra assures me that the sound quality has not taken a hit at all. But how is that even possible? Well, to kind of illustrate that, Jabra actually furnished me with this sort of mock-up set. This is an actual working set of earbuds with translucent casing here so you can see the innards. And what they told me basically was they played a game of 3D Tetris where they rearranged all the different components where they could, kind of moved them up in order to make a smaller cabinet or case for them. So the casing for the earbuds is a little bit smaller as a result. You still get the antenna here is the gold ring on the outside. The battery is the same size, but it uses a lower energy Bluetooth chip, Bluetooth 5, in order to give you the same performance without sacrificing any kind of quality. And that, to me, is pretty remarkable engineering. One other thing I want to mention, the case, vastly improved. The last one was a little bit difficult to open. This thing is a piece of cake. It still magnetically seals and it still holds the earbuds in very well, but it's a way better case. Plus you got USB-C on the back for charging, and at some point there will be a quick charging option for them as well. Now you're wondering, how much are they going to cost? Well, 200 bucks. Jabra says about 200 bucks, but I think we all know that come the holidays, they're probably going to come down in price, close to where the 65T are now, around $169 or so. So all that technology and a true wireless earbud for under $200, that's a winner. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you're excited about these earbuds as much as I am, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Of course, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when we're coming out with a new video. And of course, always visit digitaltrends.com for the latest tech news and reviews.